Hi guys, it's Sincerely Cindy again, and today I'm going to be eating pho. This is a separate episode, so this is the same outfit as when I was eating the Panera bread. I'm still hungry, so I am going to be eating some pho. It has some brisket, some meat on bones. I like my meat on bones. Some people think it's gross, but I like it like that. So I've already added some hoisin and some sriracha, and I'm gonna add some lime because I like my pho to be a little tangy and limey, or a lot tangy and limey. Just makes it taste so good. And I'm just gonna be drinking some water. Okay, so I'm gonna throw in some basil. You gotta have basil with pho, and not Italian basil. You have to eat Thai basil, because I think those two basils, they taste different. And so this definitely enhances your pho experience and flavor. So, and a lot of bean sprouts gives your bowl of pho some crunch. And just mix it up. I remember like watching those giant pho challenges from Strictly Dumpling when he ate that giant bowl of pho, or this other insider video of the world's biggest bowl of pho, and it just makes me so hungry and craving for pho. Here I am, getting to eat it. I didn't put enough broth. Dang it. So. Finally. Has some meatballs too, so beef meatballs. I can put enough broth in my bowl of pho. We used to eat pho every Saturday after we come home from work from the nail salon. My dad, he doesn't work on the weekends, so he'd cook pho. He'd like make the broth for 8 hours. And we'd have every Saturday and Sunday. Saturday for dinner and Sunday for lunch. I used to hate pho because it's so boring. Had it every Saturday. Now we don't eat it as often because my dad doesn't cook it, because he developed gout. So he can't eat beef. He's scared of beef now. And if you guys don't know what gout is, it's like a arthritic pain. It's really painful. It's an arthritic like inflammation of the big toe, and it really hurts. They call that disease of the king back in the day. Because if you eat a lot of meat and your kidneys aren't functioning well to filter out the blood, all the protein of the meat gets left behind in the blood, and it all like accumulate, and then they form crystals, and those crystals are like sharp needles. It's like poking out, and they irritate the joints and the skin, so the joint and the tissue. Now since I don't have pho every Saturday like I used to, I have a better appreciation for it. If you eat something all the time, you get tired of it. I see some people eat pho on the mukbang and they let the noodles get soggy. That's not good. Like, you should try to eat it as soon as possible so the noodles don't break apart and get soggy. However, everyone's taste palette is different, so just have to embrace the differences. I like to Snapchat while I eat sometimes. Like before I started mukbang, that's what I would do. I'd Snapchat myself eating. I'm picking out a filter. Oh, this one's cute. I like to pick out a filter on Snapchat and just and just eat my pho. And I'm surprised. I mean, some people, they have like clicked away from my channel, or like they don't watch everything. But I like to pick the funniest filters, and I like to pick funny filters and just eat. My boyfriend thinks I'm weird because he watches them. But yeah, before I started my mukbang on YouTube, I would eat my food in front of Snapchat with the funny filters. If you guys want to add me on Snapchat, I'm gonna leave it right down here. That's my name. You guys can follow me on Snapchat if you guys want. So I better eat this before the noodles get cold. And then it leaves a greasy film if you don't eat it while it's still hot. If you guys haven't had pho, definitely you should try it out. It's really good. It's comforting to me. I can eat pho anytime. I can eat it in the summertime. I can eat it when it's 100 degrees outside. I don't care. Like, for me, it doesn't matter what the weather is like. Like, I'll even eat ice cream in the winter time. What type of pho do you guys like to eat? Chicken, seafood, beef? Pho tastes so good with onions, lots of onions. I like to put lots of onions in mine. I'm getting a little more comfortable eating in front of the camera. You guys can see, like, in my first episode, my voice was kind of shaky when I introduced myself. So, I'm gonna persevere. I'm gonna keep doing YouTube videos, because I really enjoy it, and it's an outlet for me. So I can, like, not worry about work and stress and other life stressors. Like, this is for me and for you guys. Hopefully I offer some type of benefits to you guys for watching me. Maybe I can give you some maybe my stories can help you relate and help you get through difficult times. Or maybe sometimes watching my videos is just help you escape your situation or whatever like, hopefully I can help you get through those difficult times. Tell me what type of story you guys want to hear. My experience being a nail technician, my process of going to nursing school, or just life in general, you know? I think I'm done. Well, thanks you guys for coming back and tuning in, watching my episode of Pho. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. And please subscribe, comment, give me some feedback, what you'd like to see me eat, or what you'd like to see me talk about. And until next time, take care, stay sincere, and see you guys later.